Venturi Air Blowers or Venturi Air Movers, pneumatic powered.
Ventilation safety for confined space and hazardous locations. Blower type. Explosion-proof blower, Venturi type, air-powered, no need engine and blades.
Usage locations. Confined space and hazardous locations where even explosion-proof electric blowers are limited in use due to strict fire safety requirements, and only compressed air blowers are allowed.
Introduction. Pipe TECHNO confined spaced Venturi air movers, or called Venturi air blowers, Venturi air horns, air adductors, air corns, jet flow, Venturi ventilators, have no moving parts and is the perfect solution for moving air in hazardous locations, explosive areas, toxic zone, or confined space. Uses of the pipe Venturi blowers are not limited to a few industries. Wherever you need to disperse fumes, move air into confined spaces, cool off workers in elevated temperature conditions, or cool machinery or products with a blast of directed air.
Faster cooling means less downtime, faster routine clearing and maintenance. Welding fumes, hot air, gases, and smoke can all be removed quickly and easily to create a safe and healthy working environment leading to greater efficiency and productivity. Durable and built to last. Safety product that you can depend on. That is Pipe TECHNO Venturi.
Application. Used for confined space ventilation, process cooling, equipment cooling and personnel cooling in shipyards, marine industry, refineries and chemical, utilities and cogeneration units, power plant, metal fabrication area of storage tanks, towers and vessels, paper mill and pulp plants, steel industry, manhole ventilation and mining, etc.
Operating principle. Compressed air or steam, blue color, is admitted into the pipe Venturi blower through a single inlet connection in the housing leading to the mixing chamber. They operate on the Venturi principle that uses small volumes of high-pressure air from the compressed air source, which is ejected through the extra small nozzle jets which are machined into the casting. The high-pressure air creates a low-pressure zone that induces large volumes of ambient air, pink color, through the base and out the air diffuser, horn, of the air blower with high velocity.
Operate these air movers on compressed air or saturated steam lines limited to pressures of 150 pounds per square inch, equivalent to approximately 10.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Take note that steam is not used on plastic horn units.
Components and structure / metal horn or plastic horn or called cone. Cast aluminum alloy base. Ground cable and clamp. Replaceable air couplings such as Chicago, Crowfoot, or others. 03 air inlet ports with NPT female thread, 1 inch or ½ inch. Flange base sizes fits to American Petroleum Institute API standard.
Absolute safety because of no need electricity and moving parts such as engine, propellers. Can be used for exhausting or blowing. 43 times capacity, free air induction ratio up to 43 times means that the output air flow is 43 times greater than the input consumed pneumatic air flow. They are very efficiency and productivity. Maximum air flow up to 8,230 cubic feet per minute capacity, equivalent to approximately 13,991 cubic meters per hour, that is powerful. High static pressure capabilities, performance tested.
Lightweight and portable, can be handheld. Easy operation, easy adjustable airflow. Aluminium alloy base and weatherproof. Minimal maintenance required because of no moving parts. Flange base sizes fits to American Petroleum Institute API standard openings. Available with many models and flange sizes, 3 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches. Top of horn diameter from 6 inches to 15.6 inches. Outer diameter of flange base from 7.28 inches to 16.8 inches. Horn materials and models are available in stainless steel, pipe, 1XX, or galvanized steel, pipe, 2XX, or LLDPE plastic, pipe, 3XX.
Warning when operating these air tools. When using these air tools, basic safety precautions should always be followed to reduce the risk of injury, including the following.
1. Maximum air pressure. Use clean, regulated air. Maximum air pressure is 150 pounds per square inch. 2. Protect air hose. Avoid using excessive length air hose. Extended airlines reduce tool power and are a working hazard. Inspect all air hose for safe condition before use. 3. Dress properly. Do not wear loose clothing that could be sucked into the unit. Wear ear protection. Wear safety glasses. 4. Ground unit. Always attach the grounding wire to a good ground source when operating the air mover.
Safety precaution. Connect only to compressed or saturated steam lines limited to pressures under 150 psi, about 10.5 kilograms per square centimeter. Connection of this product to pressure lines should be restricted to qualified personnel. Due to the high reaction force, be sure to firmly position and secure unit before turning on the air supply. Secure the blower in place prior to turning on the air supply or it will tend to move from its original position. Properly ground this product to prevent static discharge when used in areas containing combustible gas, vapor, or dust.
Do not drag the aluminum base of this product across steel, which can create a smear. A heavy smear, when struck with some object, can cause an incendiary spark. Keep area free of loose debris or solid objects to prevent them from entering the inlet housing during operation. Prevent clogging of the nozzle jets, and periodically steam clean them for proper maintenance. Prior to using the air-moving pipe TECHNO Venturi, make sure that all nozzle jet are open and operable. When exhausting fumes from enclosed vessels, take care not to create vacuum conditions that could collapse enclosed vessel.
General recommendation. Choose a pipe Venturi blower size based on the size of the tank or confined space to be ventilated. Use the specifications and performance chart to select the correct blower for the confined space size. When performing work on chemical or petroleum tanks, consult ANSI American Petroleum Institute 2015 and 2016 procedures for recommended safe work practices. The use of 1-to-1/2 hose with crow's foot connection is recommended for the compressed air supply. The size of the compressor can be determined by using the chart which shows air consumed at various inlet pressures.
Beware of tiny rocks or scaps of the working field. Do not stand or work in front of the output of airflow. To have best performance, kindly clean the sewage and oil dust of air compressor before using. If using steam, check to be sure the hose being used is rated specially for steam. Steam use on steel horn units only. Important: read manual carefully before operating this tool. Follow all safety precautions listed and all OSHA regulations pertaining to this tool.
Size and capacity, including 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, extra large. Example for stainless steel horn as below. Extra small size have 3 inches base and shortest horn producting 1,200 cubic foot per minute outlet air flow capacity at 100 pounds per square inch, means producting equivalent to approximately 20 cubic meters per minute at pressure 7 kilograms per square centimeter. Small size have 3 inches base producting 1,460 cubic foot per minute outlet air flow capacity at 100 pounds per square inch, mean producting equivalent to approximately 24.3 cubic meters per minute at pressure 7 kilograms per square centimeter.
Medium size have 6 inches base producting 3,690 cubic foot per minute outlet airflow capacity at 100 pounds per square inch, means producting equivalent to approximately 61.5 cubic meters per minute at pressure 7 kilograms per square centimeter. Large size have 8 inches base producting 5,430 cubic foot per minute outlet airflow capacity at 100 pounds per square inch, mean producting equivalent to approximately 90.5 cubic meters per minute at pressure 7 kilograms per square centimeter. Extra large size have 10 inches base producting 8,230 cubic foots per minute outlet airflow capacity at 100 pounds per square inch, equivalent to approximately 137 cubic meters per minute at pressure 7 kilograms per square centimeter.
Horn materials. Horn materials and models are available as below. Stainless steel, pipe 1XX. Galvanized steel, pipe 2XX. LLDPE plastic, pipe 3XX. Remark. The products are exported to over 50 countries. The specifications are subject to change without notice. 3 years warranty for Venturi base only. Read and understand all instructions before using this product. Kindly contact our sales team for more details, please.
We can ship to all over the world. Kindly contact manufacturer by scanning QR code here. Email pipe@pipetechno.com website www.pipetechno.com WhatsApp, Tel, Zalo, Viber, WeChat, ++8 for .937.619.456.